Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to upload music to Spotify and play it on your phone. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the top left corner. And from here, just go to settings and privacy and just simply scroll down and tap on local files. And from here, just turn this on and tap on allow. And from here guys, when you go to your library down below, you should be able to see here local files. So from here guys, automatically your music will be uploaded to Spotify and you can play it on your phone. So guys, remember that you have to download music into your phone in order for it to be automatically uploaded on Spotify. So guys, one website that I would recommend is just simply download music from SoundCloud or just simply download royalty free music. And from there, once you have downloaded it, guys, it will automatically added on your Spotify. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more about Spotify. And if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just comment down below. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.